We're here in a subdivision today to talk to homeowners about what we think is the biggest opportunity to increase your curb appeal, the garage door. We're going to introduce our brand new product, aluminum restoration solution. Hi, I'm Bob from All New.
Nice to meet you, Bob. What
Nice
can
to
I do
meet
for
you. Well, I was hoping to tell you about it.
When Bob first came to my door, I generally open the door pretty enthusiastically because I am a contractor and I respect people that are doing the work going door to door.
Do you have a few minutes? Sure. Let's go take a look.
When we first walked up to my garage door, I've noticed for a long time that it's gotten a lot less attractive looking over time. And we've been here about 17 years and I knew it was ready for some work.
So this is just a standard microfiber towel. We're going to wipe. We don't have to prepare the surface or anything. Comes on nice and smooth.
When I first saw him put it on, I thought it can't be this easy. Well, you got to prep the surface first. We got to do more work here. All he's got is a rag in his hand. So do you mind if I give it a try?
Sure, that'd be great. Here you go.
But then he handed me the rag and let me try it myself. I found out how smooth and easily it went on. Oh yeah, this is nice. So the product brings back the original color, shine, and luster of the door. And
Well, the process was really easy. Like, you literally just have a rag and wipe it on. You don't have to press, you don't have to scrub, you don't have to clean it off first. You just wipe it on, you don't have to rinse it off. And I noticed the very first swipe through that I could see the color change, and I never realized how much our door had oxidized and gotten duller. And it's gonna stay like this?
Yeah.
It's amazing. I think every time I drive into my driveway now, I'm gonna notice, and I'll probably notice other little things that I need to put this on now too, so it's kind of funny, but I'm really, really happy with this.
I'm recently retired. I like working on the yard, I like working on my flowers, and I do what I can on my budget. That's easier than cleaning my countertops. I was amazed at the color. It's the same color it was when I moved in here. It looks like a new door. They're not new doors, I just refinished them with all new.